What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very, very well. So in today's video, as you can tell by the bloody title, I'm going to be trying out the new Morphe in collaboration with Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited about this. I might have already had a little sneak peek. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very nice. I like it. And then inside, brace yourselves. Oh my God, and the fact I can fold this mirror back as well. Oh my God, I love it. We all know, like, my eyes are like drawing to these colors down here. Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. So there are 30 different shades. I did have a little count, and I think there's like 11 shimmers, 12 if you include like this kind of glitter here called Millions. So today I'm gonna be chucking this bad boy on my face, more specifically my eyeball area. I'm gonna be letting you guys know my thoughts, letting you know if I think it is worth the money, which by the way, it is £35. Forgot to mention that. But yeah, basically, if you guys wanna hear my thoughts on this thing, please stay tuned. I need some ears. There's little midges around, and like, oh my God, there's one there. There's so many midges around, and I feel like they're in my hair, unless I have knits. Both a possibility. Ta-da! My hair never fails to impress me. Okay, so as you can see, I don't really have anything on my face at the moment, apart from maybe like a little bit of brow, a little bit of like concealer under my eyes or something left over from earlier. So first of all, I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise base. This is just in the shade Rumor 2. I'm just gonna take that just on any random brush that I have, because I need to clean my brushes, so I'm just taking anything I've got. And I'm just gonna whack that all over my eyeball. Okay, so before I actually get to like putting the stuff on my face, let's do a few little swatches. Now I think I'm probably gonna focus on like a lot of the greens. Surprise, surprise. And probably some pinks as well. I kind of want to do like a little bit of pink and green. But let's just swatch a few other colors as well, just kind of like see how they look. I want custom rims. I do want custom rims, but that looks like that. We'll swatch them all together in a second. Let's try Mogul. That feels, oh, that looks good. The shimmer, I was just kind of looking at it like, that's nice, it's decent. But this matte here looks very, very nice, and it feels nice as well. I want to take some of Millions, even though I think I probably will use this. I just want to kind of like see how it looks. Oh my God. When I was looking at that, I wasn't sure if it was going to be like an eye foil or a glitter or a shimmer or what. But that is, yeah, just like a pure glitter. Oh my God. Let's swatch one more. I'm coming for you. He's coming for you. Let's do Drive Through, because I'm not sure if I will use that, but I love it. Oh my God, I love it even more. So that's Drive Through. So let's do a couple of little swatches. So this was Millions. Okay, that looks sick. I might actually have to change my plans, and yeah, that might actually have to go on my eyeballs at some point. That's like a really nice formula. It kind of like stretches. Normally glitters are like very, very sheer or very opaque, but they kind of like, I don't know, they're just like a pain in the ass to use. But that, like, you can see, oh my God, that looks great. And I kind of want to put it all over my face. So it's that one. We then have Mogul. Okay, that looks nice. It looks a tiny little bit chalky, but it blends out really nicely. I feel like I've got one of those midges on my face again. Literally, you move to the countryside and you get like midges everywhere. Oh, why did I do that? Now my face is red. Ah, screw it. I'm just going to do this with a red face. So now we'll move on to custom rims. That looks okay. Doesn't look that impressive. It just looks like fine. Doesn't look amazing. Doesn't look bad. It just looks all right. Then I'll move on to Drive Through. Oh boy. Oh my God. Right, okay, some of these look very good. Like, I've mentioned it before, I don't dislike them, but I'm not like obsessed with Morphe palettes normally. I love the original Jaclyn Hill palette. But yeah, I can think of like 2 palettes that I like from Morphe, but otherwise, like the formula, I'm just kind of like, eh. But this seems pretty great. Like, those swatches just look insane. Swing. Right, so I'm just gonna make sure that's like all blended out. I'm gonna tilt my head back, and I don't know what color I'm gonna go for. I think I've got to do the greens, you guys. I think I'm gonna focus on like this little like section down here. I might dabble with a little bit of pink or purple. I don't know. Might be too risky for me right now. But yeah, let's do green. Let's do green. Okay, so first of all, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Wake and Bake. So I'm gonna tap my brush in there. A little bit of kickback, nothing too bad. Just going to tilt my head back, make sure I'm all slapped down nice and proper. Okay, and then I'm just going to go straight in with this one here, right in the crease. And oh boy, that's pretty damn pigmented. I'm just going to kind of swirl that around a touch. Oh, I like that a lot. I'm going to carry on going around my eyeball. I'm going to keep like tapping that in around my eye. Take a touch more. And then I'll just kind of like start blending it around. Seriously, that colour is sick. That's like the kind of green that I like. Like the really like disgusting, like snotty green. I say disgusting with a lot of love. I say it like from the heart. This is my kind of green. So I'm just making sure that's like all blended in the crease there. Then I'm going to do some teeny tiny little circles just to start blending that out. And then I'm going to do teeny tiny little circles just to blend that out. I'm so obsessed with that colour already. Love that I just put it like straight in my crease as well. I don't actually know what look I'm going to do. I'm just like, cool, green, shove it in there. Oh, it's so nice. I'm like living my Slytherin dream right now. Ooh, Coca-Cola. Ooh, piece of candy. And then I'm going to take a completely clean brush and basically just like blend the edges out there. Yes. Okay, we need to go in with Nate. I really think we do. This one here, I want to swatch it beforehand. Okay, it looks a little bit patchy on the swatch, but that colour looks, oh my God, let's try that again. Okay, that's a bit better. That colour looks so good. It looks like that putty that you get in like gift shops or like fun fairs, you know? No, that's the wrong motion. Okay, so I'm going to go straight in with Nate. So I'm literally just like tapping my brush in there, not like swirling or anything. And I think I'm just going to pack that all over the outer corner. Holy shitballs. I was like looking at the brush thinking, that's going to be sheer. Whoa. I guess I'm just going like pretty much straight all over the lid with this then. Literally, when I do these videos, I'm just like, I'm like a true artist, you know? I just go wherever the feeling takes me. And right now the feeling is taking me to put bright green all over my eyes. I was about to say, well, it's Halloween somewhere in the world, and then I just realised that's not how it works. Okay, so I'm just like building up a bit of the colour there. And one thing I will notice is it is looking like a little bit patchy around this part of my eye. It's not that bad really, but it's just a bit kind of like, I see you. Yeah, it's just like not properly picking up around like the outer corner, like right there. It just looks a bit patchy. But I'm just going to proceed to put more of it on my face. Oh my God, I love green. I'm then going to take some more Wake and Bake and just lightly circle that like over my crease and over the Nate shade. And then again, just buff that out. I'm actually even going to take a little bit of Lin, which is like just a full-on nude colour, just to help buff that. Now I think I might take some kind of like, I don't know. I feel like I kind of want to like really brighten up the inner corner. What have we got? Sound like that Crash Bandicoot. What have we got? I mean, I could just go straight in with a shimmer. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to go in with Glam Rapids. Oh my God, I forgot about Drive-Thru as well. But yeah, I'm going to go in with Glam Rapids first. It's kind of like, I don't know, it is like a kind of goldy green shimmer. Again, I'm just going to swatch that one. Yeah, it's almost got like a little like lime tint to it. So I'm just going to swoop that on my inner corner first. And just kind of start to drag it out. That's nice. It's not like anything groundbreaking, but I mean, it is obviously just like a kind of goldy shimmer. But yeah, it's like not overly sheer. It's not like overly opaque, but you do like 2 layers and you're absolutely fine. I'm actually going to try a little bit on my finger to see how it works like that. Yeah, looks a little bit more foiled if you use your finger. Wipe that on my sock. Now I'm going to lightly dust over a little bit of Nate again, just again to kind of like blend it in with that shimmer. Literally just like blend the two together. Oh, I really feel like I just want to go in with Drive-Thru or something as well, but I do need to use Millions. Maybe I'll use Millions on my lower lash line. Oh, I don't know, that might be a risk. Oh my God, I don't know. You know what? I'm going to go in with a little bit of Mr. Diva. A little bit of Mr. Diva on my lower lash line, I think. Just to start off with. Like, I'm probably going to add to it unless I chicken out. I can't do my lash line yet. I haven't done my foundation. Why doesn't my brain work? Okay, let's just carry on as if nothing just happened then and I didn't just fully lose track of what I've actually done this whole video. Okay, so now we're going to be on to design a label. Just keep it moving. So that's like this really shimmery champagne shade. I'm going to run that through my brow bone. Oh, hot damn. That's actually really freaking intense. Whoa! I might even take some of that. I might even take a little bit of that on the inner corner as well, because that one just looks more intense, like more brightening. I don't know, maybe a little tiny bit. Okay, I'm now actually going to make a little concoction, I think, because I want to use this green, but I want a little bit darker. So I'm going to mix, I'm going to take like a little bit of green on this brush, the one that I've been using before. I don't know what technique I'm using right now, but I'm just doing this. And I'm going to take some of Fast Lane, which looks very, very pigmented. So I'm going to take off some of that on the back of my hand. And I'm basically just going to paint the black brush with a little bit of green. I know that sounds crazy, but like I've done it before and it's worked. Right, that should be about there. And I'm just going to darken the outer corner a bit. Oh, this little bit there is still looking patchy. Okay, I'm now going to go off camera, do the other eye, do my base, all that jazz, and then we'll do something to the lash line. And by something, I mean, I'm probably going to use this glitter. This is either going to go really well or more likely really bad. Okay, be right back. See you when I look a bit more normal-ish. All right, base is on, brows are on, lips are on, almost there. So now we're going to move on to the lower lash line, I think. Not sure if I'm done with the upper lash line. Eyelid. Not sure if I'm done with the eyelid yet. But yeah, just going to go on my lower lash line for a minute. All right, so next we're going to move on to, what color did I say I was going to use? Was it Mr. Diva? I think it was Mr. Diva. So I'm going to take some of that. And I'm going to run that ever so slightly on my lower lash line. I don't want to smoke it out too much. I want it just to be like, just there a little bit, because I kind of want to use it as the base for my glitter. Oh yeah, I think we're doing glitter on the lower lash line. I think we may as well just bloody do it. Oh, that looks really nice actually, just that colour on its own. I feel like I look like an actual snake with my contacts and everything. And I love it. So I'm just running that on my lower lash line. I really like how that looks on its own. If I was just doing this as like a look that I would wear, I'd probably stop it here and add like falsies and stuff. But I still really want to try that glitter, and I'd like, it's a palette review. I've got to try out the colours in the palette. Okay, so I don't know the best way to use this. I'm going to take a little pencil brush and, okay, see if I can pick up some of that glitter. Okay, you can. I was worried it was going to be like a really dry glitter and I wasn't going to be able to pick it up. All right, let's try this. Try it. So I'm going to start by pressing that along my lash line. I feel like it might want a bit of a base down, just to like properly enhance it. You know what? I'm going to take a slightly damp brush, just a little liner one, and try it this way. So I'm going to pick up a little bit more that way and see if it works when it's got like a bit of tack to it. Yes, it does. You do need to build up a little bit more. So I imagine if you had like, I don't know, if I was to do that over the top of like a tacky P. Louise base, I feel like it would work really well. Or obviously like a little bit of like glitter glue or something. I do like that though. Something a little bit different. I feel like I look like a little bit of a Christmas tree. I mean, it's not too far off. The Christmas adverts will probably be playing soon. Wait, why am I talking about Christmas? Yeah, it takes a little bit to build up, so I would recommend using it with like some sort of base. But it still looks pretty great. Really nice little gold glitter. And I don't even mind about a couple of little bits of fallout. I feel like it kind of makes it look a little bit festively. So I'm actually adding quite a bit of this and like really scattering it out. Because speaking about festivals just makes me like, just want to at least pretend for a minute. Just wear my festival makeup and pretend I'm at a festival and drink my cup of tea instead of my can of cider. Oh, it's a good cup of tea though. So now I feel like I kind of want to take like something else, but I don't know where to put it. I've kind of like run out of room on my face really, haven't I? I mean, maybe I could do a little bit of this like Barbie pink in the inner corner. And it's not like, yeah, I feel like I'll try it. Because I mean, if I don't like it, it's quite easy to kind of cover over. You can literally see down my top right now. Yeah, that's me giving myself a middle finger. Then I'm just going to take a slightly damp brush and I'm going to go in with the shade 2 because I didn't actually mention the shade names in this palette, but the first row, it says, welcome back to my channel. And the shade on the end there, it's called One Noise. Actually, One Noise looks really nice. Ooh, One Noise looks pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of 2 and like kind of spatter it on the inner corner. Yes, I'm like doing it really roughly just so it kind of looks again like kind of messy. That is stunning. Ooh, I really like this. Hot damn. All right, guys, so I'm not going to do my usual, just go off camera, add some mascara, add some falsies. I have something in my eye. It's probably glitter. I mean, by this point, I'm sure you've all like kind of guessed about whether or not I like this palette. Spoiler alert, yeah, I do. Yeah, I'm just gonna do my usual quickly, go off camera, add some falsies, add some mascara, and then I will check back with you guys in a second. All right, guys, so this is a finished look. I am freaking obsessed with how this turned out. Like, over the past few weeks, I've been saying to you guys that I wanna do like a really blown out, like green smoky eye look. This is all I've wanted. Like, all the other things I've tried out, they've been like kind of there, but like, this is what I've been waiting for this whole time. Yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this palette. I know obviously I've only tried out, how many shades did I try out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I tried out 8 shades. That's not bad for one eyeball. But yeah, judging by everything that I tried out today, I'm really, really impressed. Like this, I had the same amount of love for this as I did for my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the first one. We won't talk about the second lot. But yeah, whatever formula Morphe are using for these collab palettes, keep doing it please, because they're great. And the color selection is sick. I want more of these glitters. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section down below. I always had this in my hand and it just kind of dawned on me that this might be a sick makeup look. So I'm going to do a little cutaway with this on as well. This is the Jeffree Star Crocodile Tears Liquid Lipstick. So yeah, here's a little cutaway of that. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time, as you all know by now. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye. One noise.